quiet December evening. It was the last week of the year. The city was quiet after sunset. Hanna sat at her desk and opened the window a little. Cold air came in, but it felt fresh and kind. She looked at the sky. The first stars were waking up. A small lamp warmed the room. On the table, there were notebooks, a pen, and a cup of tea. Books rested on the shelf. A blanket waited on the chair. It was a good place for thinking. It was a good place for writing. Hanna took a slow breath. "This year," she whispered, "was not simple." She smiled because life is not simple, and that is okay. She turned to a clean page and wrote, "End of year, notes of gratitude." The good and the hard. She remembered the first months, the rain, the early mornings, the new readers who found her stories. They wrote short messages in simple English. "Your stories help me learn. Your voice is calm. Thank you for easy words and warm feelings." Those words were like soft lights in a long hallway. They said, "Keep going, someone is listening." She also remembered the hard moments, a plan that failed, a project that moved slowly, a friend who moved far away. Even then, a small light stayed, the light of small steps. Hanna wrote, "Small steps are strong. One page, one idea, one kind reply, day after day." Gratitude and lessons. She touched a favorite book, its pages full of notes and coffee marks. Books grow old with us, she thought. They hold our fingerprints and seasons. She wrote, "What was good this year?" And answers came like birds. A story that felt honest and true. A plant that kept growing toward the light. Then she wrote, "What was difficult this year?" She wrote few words, but she stayed with them. "You were my teachers," she whispered. The hard days had left lessons behind. Friends, work, and meaning. The room became darker. Streetlights painted golden lines on the floor. She wrapped a blanket around her shoulders. She wrote, "Friendships, some new and bright, candles in a window. Some old and strong, trees with deep roots, both important." She smiled and wrote names, remembering their kindness. Gratitude is a quiet fire, she thought. It does not shout, it simply stays and gives light. Then she wrote, "Work. I am a writer. I write easy English stories. I write for beginners. I write for people who want simple words and real feelings." Stories can be small rooms of safety. Stories can be soft bridges between hearts. Stories can be a place to rest and learn. Looking to 2026, she opened a new page. Plans for 2026, learning and culture. Visit a museum in another city. Read a book from each continent. Interview an elder about local history. Write stories with these small details. Make English a door to culture, not only grammar. She wrote, "More kindness, more curiosity, more rest. A rested mind teaches better." She looked around the room, the lamp, the books, the pen, all simple things, all good company. At the top of the page, she wrote, "Thank you. Thank you for the easy days. Thank you for the hard days. Thank you for every reader, every lesson, every story. Then she stood by the window. A star appeared between the clouds. "Hello, New Year," she whispered. "I will meet you with open hands." And on the last page, she wrote, "Learn deeply, teach gently, stay grateful." The lamp went dark, but inside, her heart stayed bright, because the year was ending and the story was still beginning.